Paper airplanes have a history dating back to ancient China around 105 AD, when papers were first invented. Over the centuries, they evolved from simple folded paper objects to the recognizable form we know today. In the early 20th century, figures like Jack Northrop contributed to the development of more advanced paper gliders, and during World War II, paper airplanes found utility for training and entertainment. Post-war publications and interest in paper airplane design continued to grow, leading in today's diverse range of paper plane designs, even Guinness World Records for flight distance. In recent years, paper airplanes have become both a leisure and activity and a subject of scientific exploration, with enthusiasts creating initiative designs and participating in various competitions. They continue to capture the imagination of people of all ages, exemplifying the enduring appeal of this simple yet fascinating form of paper art. But who really cares about that, right? Let us show you how to make a real paper airplane. First, make sure your paper is flat, crisp, and fine cutted, just like this guy. Make sure there isn't any ripples. You don't want it to get all messed up, like my marriage. Now just fold at a half angle and make it straight, and do the same on the other side. Let's do an acute angle fold. Now as you do it on the other side, now fold them on top of each other. Find the middle of the fold and fold it down. Press it down and use the crease to guide your folds. Make sure it's even. Now flip it upside down and fold together. Make sure the tip is flat and hard. Now fold the side to the end of the paper. Now do it to the opposite side. Crease the corners. Look at his beauty. Don't let this sting near the Pentagon.